Wrestling fans, how to wrestle kicks. We're gonna show you how to do all type of kicks. Okay, now, if you want to learn how to wrestle, you gotta do the kicks right and safely, as I said on the other video. Let's go.
Don't hurt.
So look, this might look real. Let me take my keys off. So this might look real, but it's not. I remember, react to it. You gotta react to it. Get up. That wasn't real. What I did was, I did this. How I make that effect, you probably already know if you're smart. I did this. So I put my leg up to his head. Then I just snap my leg. Get ready. You ready? Didn't that look real? That's one of those CM Punk kicks if you ask me. So look. So just try to do it safe. Try not to kick them in their neck or their head. See, like, I did it right here by his shoulder, so it can look real. But I don't want y'all to hurt y'all, so that's why we're showing you how to do kicks. One more. Okay? I did it right here to his shoulder. Alright? And I did that sound when I hit my leg. Now he's about to do a midsection kick when you kick someone in the stomach. Go. So when someone kicks you, you have to react to it. Let me do it. So look, when you kick, you can't kick them for real. You do like this. You do it by their stomach, but not for real. Look. See, look. Don't react to it, okay? I'm finna kick him. Did I kick him? Look at this. Look closely. Look. Did I kick him? Now look. Now react to it. Okay? So those are called kicks. Now sometimes I do it for real, but I do it softly, but I put more energy into it. Watch this. This is gonna be for real, but just know how to do it. I did that for real, but did that hurt?
Nope.
So those are the kick. He about to show you one more kick, then the video's over. Go. Do it again. Go. Go. You see he hitting his leg to make the effect so it can look real, so someone can know. Do it again. Go. So this is the video, how to wrestle kicks. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe. See ya.